Welcome back to your channel. Today, we're delving into the world of maritime injury lawyers and the crucial role they play in helping people who've been injured while working at sea. But before we dive in, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss any important info we're sharing today. Understanding maritime injuries. First things first, let's get a handle on what maritime injuries are all about and why they're a big deal. You see, folks working in the maritime industry, like seafarers, fishermen, and offshore workers, face some unique challenges on the job.
Challenges often translate into a higher risk of getting injured, whether it's from slips and falls, equipment mishaps, accidents, or exposure to hazardous materials. These injuries can be really severe, sometimes changing lives and demanding extensive medical care and recovery. Now, let's talk about those maritime injury lawyers and why they matter so much. These are the professionals who specialize in maritime law and understand the ins and outs of these kinds of cases. Let's break down what they do. Maritime injury lawyers roll up their sleeves and dig deep to investigate the incident. They're like detectives, gathering evidence, talking to witnesses, and consulting experts to build a rock-solid case. Maritime law? It's a bit of a legal maze. But these lawyers know it like the back of their hand. They ensure their clients get the compensation they deserve by navigating through admiralty and maritime law. Okay, so let's get to the part you're probably curious about: the money and benefits. Maritime injury lawyers are the ones who help you secure these. Workers have this thing called maintenance and cure. It covers your day-to-day living expenses and medical bills while you're on the mend. Your lawyer makes sure you get these benefits. Under the Jones Act, if your injury is due to negligence on your employer's part, you can file a personal injury claim. That's where your lawyer comes in, fighting to get you compensated for pain and suffering, lost wages, and more. Choosing the right maritime injury lawyer is a big deal. Here are some tips to help you make the right choice. Look for lawyers who've been around the block, specializing in maritime law and having a proven history of successful cases. Good lawyers have a network of resources, like medical experts and accident reconstruction specialists, to strengthen your case. Check out what past clients have to say. Their feedback will give you a sense of the lawyer's reputation and how well they communicate. So, in a nutshell, maritime injury lawyers are your go-to when you've been hurt at sea. They're the ones who make sure you're not left high and dry, fighting for your rights and that compensation you rightfully deserve. If you or someone you know has been through a maritime accident, don't hesitate to reach out for legal help. Remember, you've got rights, and there are experienced maritime injury lawyers out there who've got your back. Thanks for tuning in, and please, show your support by liking, sharing, and dropping a comment below. Stay safe out there on the open water.